Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NocoDB for open source app building, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure your system meets the necessary requirements for NocoDB. Open your terminal or command prompt. First, check if you have Node.js installed by running the command node v. If Node.js is not installed, download and install it from the official website. Next, install NocoDB globally by executing the command npm install gnocodb. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the directory where you want to set up NocoDB. You can create a new directory using the command mdir nocodb project and then change into that directory with cd nocodb project. Now you need to set up your database connection. NocoDB supports various databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Make sure you have your database instance running and accessible. Next, you will run NocoDB with the command nocodb. This will start the NocoDB server locally. By default, NocoDB runs on port 8080. Open your web browser and enter http://localhost 8080 in the address bar. You should see the NocoDB interface loading. Now, you will be prompted to connect your database. Enter the database connection details such as host, port, database name, username, and password. Click on the Connect button to establish the connection. Once connected, you can begin building your applications using the no-code features offered by NocoDB. Explore the available templates and components to customize your application. Start adding tables and fields to organize your data effectively. Utilize the drag-and-drop features to create a user-friendly interface. You can also integrate APIs and automate tasks within your application through NocoDB. Keep the terminal open to monitor any logs or errors during your usage. That covers the installation and initial setup of NocoDB for open-source app building. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.